Hi everyone and welcome to this first lesson on how to create a glider using Tinkercad, like the one I have on screen here. So the first thing you'll need to do is you'll have to sign up or create an account on Autodesk Tinkercad. If you're new to Tinkercad, it's a great piece of free modeling software you can use in an internet browser. So once you get to this page, the first thing you need to do is create a new design. And once you're in a new design, you'll get a page that kind of looks a little bit like this. And the main thing you'll see is this big blue thing over here that's called the work plane. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the top left hand corner and we're going to go to this funny name and we're just going to click on it and we can change that to whatever we want it to be. So I'm just going to call it glider. Cool, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to kind of scroll through this right hand side here in these basic shapes. We're going to start with a shape. So I'm going to select a cylinder for my main body and I'm going to place that on the work plane. So I'm just clicking on cylinder and I'm going to place it on the work plane. And what you'll notice is these little white boxes appear around the shape. And what I need to do is just change the shape of the cylinder, so change the dimensions. To do that, I can click on one of these white boxes here, and I can change the shape. So I'm going to change it to 5mm by 5mm, and then I'm also going to change the height to 50mm. Now, one thing we can do is we can zoom in and zoom out using these tools down the left-hand side. We can also use this cube here called the view cube to change our rotation, or you can use right click to orbit or right click and shift to pan. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rotate my cylinder using these sort of rounded arrows at the top here. And I'm just going to change the direction of my cylinder here just by 90 degrees, and I can also move it up and down using this little black arrow at the top of my shape. And there we have the main body of our design.